All right, check it out. This is the BMW fuel tank. I think in my last video I showed you it was all cleaned out. Anyhow, I was working on this cap here with the fuel sending unit, and as you can see, it came out pretty good. It's a GM sender unit, which will feed my AEM CAN 22. I have to thread the holes still for this. Got to thread this to I think I'm going to do an M12 by 1.5 for the return. And if I was smarter, I would have had the float over in this section. And I don't know why I didn't do that. For some reason, I put it over there. And of course, all these holes are not uniform. There are different angles here, so I can't just turn it. But it should still be enough, because that's how it was before. But check this out. Right, so I did this in Fusion 360, not a big deal, but this is my first aluminum 3D print. And I prefer machine stuff. I don't know if this is brittle, like a thin cast piece equivalent. I would trust a CNC part more, but it's a lid for a fuel tank. There's going to be no stress on it whatsoever. So, very happy about that. Got my BMW hose finally. All right, so that'll go up to a vent tube, not this barb, but there's an actual, that is a vent tube, and there's two others, and that goes up and feeds a vent tank, and that's where this heads to as well. So very weird design, haven't seen anything quite like that, but then I'm usually not horsing around with fuel tanks. Anyhow, very pleased. I think it's pretty cool. The fastest production time came out of China, and I got hit with tariffs, which made it not worth it. I might as well have waited quite a while, because I'm not going to put it in immediately anyways. So it was the cheapest, the fastest, and the money I saved, of course, given that I'm not going to install it, I could have just had it printed here, which is, so that's regrets on my side. But anyhow, I use Craft Cloud 3D, and what you can do is you can upload your designs, you can go through, you can select a base material, then you can select a finish, you know, if you're doing like PLA, right? So here is the latest revision of our exhaust manifold, and this is carbon reinforced PLA plus or something. I don't even know what it is. It's very cool. And then you can check, select your infill percentages, all kinds of things on it, and it will give you immediate pricing with shipping. And of course, that does not include tariffs. And then you can check out online, and it gives you a delivery date. So very cool. Craft Cloud 3D. It might be Cloud Craft 3D, whatever. You'll find it. But for large prints, that's great. I do have a 3D printer. Everybody's going to comment that they can help me. Well, I can do that too, but it's different when you slice and glue something. This will actually hold the weight of a turbo if I put it on there. So I wouldn't trust that with super glued stuff, depending on how you slice it, literally. So anyhow, love it. Very cool. Thanks for watching. Oh, another update, not that anybody cares. This is the Mercedes 606. It was pulled, transmission, the manual sitting over there. And so I don't run into this next time, I can put plywood down on gravel. That's right, I'm working on graveling the drive, and the Mercedes is off to the side. So again, thanks for watching. Boring videos, but I appreciate you.